Every city in Reino del Sol was devoted to a god. The ones in the center were larger, nicer, and devoted to the gold greater gods like Agua and Tierra. Meanwhile, smaller cities placed on the outskirts were dedicated to jade lesser gods like Quetzal. Teo jogged through jungle trees interspersed among buildings draped with vines. From the outside, Quetzal looked like a city that had lost its battle with nature and been swallowed by the dense foliage. But though it was a bit run down, Quetzal was a proud city, lovingly maintained by its people. The defining characteristics of their city was the abundance of tropical birds. So that's the defining characteristic of Quetzal, is that it's got all these tropical birds that dotted the trees like brightly colored fruit. They were everywhere you turned, living in happy companionship with their human counterparts. Here, people and nature were intimately and inextricably linked.